I already proved to y'all that it was a fake sun. Now I'm finna prove to y'all that this is a fake moon. Now, over here is 10:13. This was on the 28th. I just discovered that all this stuff was flying in the air. So I'm just gonna fast forward from 10:13. I'm gonna do it little by little. And I'm gonna show y'all this is a fake moon. Right over there by that church. I done proved to y'all already about the fake sun, but now I'm gonna show y'all it's a fake moon. Watch that moon. Watch that little round thing at the back of that church start moving upward. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going little by little up, forward. Look at that. And you see the time, 10:42. I'm just going up little by little. 10:48. It went up some more. It started moving. It started moving. Look at that. And now it's 11:02. Keep on looking at it. It's going to steady going up further and further. It's going to steady be moving. Steady moving. Look at that. Steady moving up. Here is 11:25. Look at that. It's still going to be moving up. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, while y'all got y'all mind focusing on something else, these folks about to do something. They about to do something, y'all around here. It's crazy. Look at all that stuff floating in the air. Look at that. Here it is, 11:48. When they get to 12 o'clock, that thing there gonna be disappeared. Look at that. 12 o'clock is gone. 12:01. Look at that. Y'all better stay woke. Stay focused. I've been telling y'all that this is a satellite around here. That's a satellite beaming dead at my house. Look at that. That is not no light over there. That's a camera. I can't make this up, people. This stuff is crazy around here. But thank you, Lord, that He's been protecting me all this time. It's crazy.